So as we know, all the world is facing this pandemic of COVID-19. So Tunisia now return back to normal life, but social distancing became must. We must keep distance between each other to stop the spread of this virus. So in the fight against the COVID-19, social distance has really proven to be very effective measure to slow down the spread of these diseases. So people are asked to limit their interaction with each other, reducing the chance of the virus being spread with the physical or close contact. So in this project we will enhance our algorithm with the calibration of the camera. So I have used calibration for camera because an input video may be taken from arbitrary perspective view. So the first step is to transform this perspective view to a bird. So to a bird, this has a top-down view. So like that we can estimate the real distance between people in our video. Also detection, so the second step of our project is the detection. This step is to detect the pedestrian and to draw a bounded box around each pedestrian. I have used the Yolo version 3. Yolo is just the abbreviation of you look only once. It's so perfect algorithm for object detection. So we will detect all the boxes that contain person in our video. I have used the pre-trained model and I apply minimal post-processing as the normal suppression to keep only the right box in my video, and like that to minimize the risk of overfitting. And at the end we will calculate the distance between this point, especially for the when we have eye view, eye bird view. So the code flow will of our project is like that. So we will get camera or video feed. So we will get the frame from our video and get the region of interest and get the bird's eye of view of our region of interest and calculate horizontal and vertical unit length from points marked in first frame. And in parallel we will detect people in this frame and get the center point from each boxes in our video, and the project will detect points in bird eye view with the transformation of our video, and we will find the distance between a point using horizontal and vertical unit, and display the we will display the bird view, and also we will show you how our algorithm will detect the closeness and the person that are at risk and the person that are safe in our video. So as we see, we must put our region of interest when we run our algorithm. So first of all I will choose our region of interest like that. We must click 4 points, and after that we will give an estimation of the distance that will be considered as closeness. And let's begin detecting and showing the result of our bird view, and also the finished video preset. As we see, we will have a bird eye view as I told, and we will calculate the distance between them. So we see that all this person here are cloners and they are at risk, and this person they are far and they are not at risk. So to complete, let's see the result. As we see, person that in yellow, person that are safe, person that are at risk. We keep social distancing. Thank you so much.